Shalom everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. This month, Aunty will be showing you a Christmas treat series, starting off with sun-dried Buah Kundong and homemade syrup. So come, let's join Aunty. Alright friends, as you can see, these are the fruits. I have a very beautiful fruit. This is called Buah Kundong. In Sarawak, Malaysia, we call this Buah Kundong. Or, in other words, this is called cherry mangosteen. And the scientific name is Garcinia parvifolio. It belongs to the family of mangosteen. So today, Aunty is going to make sun-dry Buah Kundong. I'm going to sun-dry this skin. The skin tastes sour. And I'm going to peel it for you to see. This is how the fruits look like inside. It's just like mangosteen, but this is sweet and sour. See? Very nice. Aunty is tasting. This fruit has a very high health value because of the color. The color contains carotenoid. So I'm going to process this skin later on. And the flesh, I'm going to take it out and just consume like this. See? I'm going to collect it and consume. The skin actually very soft. You can just peel with your nail, but I prefer using knife like this. See? This is Borneo fruits. So guys, if you come across these fruits, you can buy and try to eat it. It tastes good. Sour and sweet. This is how the flesh has been removed, and this is the peel. So I have to remove this part, clean it, this is the stem part of it. You have to remove it. And this is how the flesh. You might wondering why so many skin but so little flesh. This has been eaten earlier on. I didn't take the video. So this is how it is, okay? The taste is sweet and sour. This one has a very high health value to our body. So do try to eat it if you can find it in the market. So the skin has been washed clean, and now I proceed with the following step. And I'm going to add in the skin into the pot. This is the way Aunty process the skin of this Buah Kundong. Doesn't take long. When it's boiling, and leave it boiling for a while, then that's it. In Malaysia, the skin of this Buah Kundong or the Garcinia parvifolio or cherry mangosteen or buah kandis. There is another name of this fruit. Usually people do not do this. Usually they sun-dry the skin and then use for cooking, especially when they cook fish because of the sourness of the skin make the cooking taste good. But Auntie is making dry Buah Kundong skin or dry prawns using this Buah Kundong skin. Stay tuned, guys. So this is how the kundong fruit has been boiled, and I let it soak in a sugar brine. I'm using about 400 grams of sugar and 4 teaspoons of salt. So I'm gonna leave these kundong fruits overnight and soak in brine, and I will proceed with it tomorrow. And as you can see, the richness of the juice, I didn't add any coloring. It is the coloring from the kundong peel, and we are gonna consume this and make it into syrup later on. Okay, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna put this one into a container with the sugar brine and leave it inside the fridge overnight. Then tomorrow I will proceed with it. Okay, stay tuned. So this is how it is. I put it into a container with the brine, the sugar brine, and I'm gonna put this into the fridge overnight. I have preserved with the sugar brine for the whole night, and now I'm gonna take it out, and the flowing process go on as I am going to dry it under the sun. See, so beautiful. And the juice, marvelous. The juice contain very rich in carotenoid, very good for health. I'm going to boil the juice again another time and turn it into syrup. The taste of the juice, because it mixed with sugar, so it tastes sweet and a bit salty with additional of salt. Do try this recipe. Okay, I'm gonna save the juice. See, these are the crumbs that we have to remove. This is the color of carotenoid. It is very good for health. Rich in antioxidant. So this is how the kundong juice has been sieved, and now Auntie going to boil it, and when it's cold I will keep it in the bottle for storage. The sweetness is bearable. It's not too sweet because Auntie don't want to put too much sugar. I want the natural taste. Oh my goodness, the taste of it is close to citrus. So guys, do try making it the way Auntie do. Follow the steps. This is kundong juice. Very, 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 very rich in antioxidant. It contains carotenoid. Alright, the next process is this. We dry it under the sun. Or I think do like this. Just pray that there will be good sunlight today until evening. But this one, it will take days for it to dry. Alright, it's boiling. Okay, that's done. Some of it too big, I cut it like this. Okay, cut it. So that it will dry easily. This is ready to be dry under the sun. See, I arrange it on this basket, and then this will take days to make it fully dry. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, sun dry begins. Alright, this is how the kundong peel has been dry. Here it's been dry for 4 days, and I'm going to continue to dry it until it achieves the maximum dryness. Because of the weather condition here, it's only sunny in the morning and raining in the afternoon. So it's on very short hours for me to dry it. So it takes time. Stay tuned, guys. So this is the ending of the sun-dry Buah Kundong. Auntie has sun-dry it for 5 days due to the rainy season, short of sunlight. So it takes days. So this is the ending of it, okay? Alright friends, this is the ending of today's video. Sun-dried Buah Kundong and homemade syrup. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Christmas treat video. Bye bye.